This is the Dogwood floor plan from Bloomfield Homes. As you view this home, pay particular attention to how light and airy the space feels with the extensive picture windows and architectural features. The Dogwood is part of our Classic Series with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 1,800 to over 2,300 square feet. The floor plan starts as a charming one-story home. And if you need more room, the 2-story option gives you an additional 500 square feet. The Dogwood dazzles from the moment you drive up. The curb appeal of this home is phenomenal. It has a signature covered front porch that's huge. There are 6 different elevations to choose from with a wide range of brick and stone combinations. Upon entering, a front room flex space greets you that can be used for a formal dining room or a study. The inviting kitchen is centered around this large island that flows right into a casual dining area and family room. Personalize your home with an optional fireplace or built-in buffet cabinets. And with the 2nd-story option, this entire kitchen and dining space gets an impressive vaulted ceiling. Also on the main level, 2 bedrooms that share a full bathroom. And then there's the primary suite with views of your private backyard from a lengthy window seat and double doors into the bathroom. Enjoy a dual sink vanity with granite counters, garden tub with Roman-style faucet and separate shower, or the option for an extended shower, and then you have a spacious walk-in closet. The 2-story Dogwood features this game room with tech center and overlook to the lower level, along with a 4th bedroom and a full bathroom. And out back, you get an included covered patio. This is one of the best values for a brand new home in the entire Metroplex. Come see the Dogwood home in person. Smart and stylish never looked so good.